Alright, are you ready?
15. Ready to rock, come on, load up.
We got Banjo thinks he's coming with, but I don't know if he is. Oh, he really wants to come. It's not really good. Alright.
No, don't get on the highway.
Whoa, you just said get on the highway.
No, I said go under and then go back.
You said get on the highway. I can turn around. Go me to? Where is it?
It's right there.
Oh my gosh.
Here, go right.
Fuck. Okay, this is the beginning to our marathon. Beginning to our race here. I've already fucked up. Took the wrong turn. Getting the cam out. But Rio's got her yellow hat on. Looking good. Getting directions. Yeah, 26.2 miles. We'll check in. I'm going to be trying to GoPro the whole thing. And we'll see how it goes. Like I could, you know, get halfway through this race and just not wake up.
What? You're gonna die?
Probably 26 miles is no small feat. I really haven't done all that much preparation.
And now please join us in honoring America and
could have done a little more.
We just got here. Gearing up.
Just got our stuff. I'm gonna have, I think, my phone in my pocket or in my hand like this. I don't know. Not too prepared.
I don't do that. I know it's
Don't do
supposed to be
such,
fun
no.
all day.
That's right. Numbers 495. 495.
And you got your headphones?
Headphones. You look a little. Let's see how.
We shouted the outsiders out. Where are you, Alaskans? Any Alaskans running this race today?
Woo!
Crowd, I hope so.
You can't see me. How do you feel?
Oh, I just want to get it over with.
Nice. Mile 1, when do we start?
11 minutes.
11 minutes.
I'm really honored that I get to hold the camera and just walk around all day.
Right.
That's the job I'm more fit for.
Shout out to Janae. There's her office leaving. She's a flight attendant. And she's cam girl. She'll be getting all the credit for this, most of this film here.
Anchorage Mayor's Marathon. Go get them. Have some fun. When you hit the wall, find the door. All right, we got a mom on there. She's about 7 months. Let's go. Ditch those plastic bags. It's going to be a warm one out there. Oh, I can't hear you guys. Here. Crowd. All right, there he goes. 3, 2, 1.
That's it.
I don't have music on that.
Okay. Is that it? Come on, Rio. Come on, we gotta get. I guess it's all just like an amoeba. Don't you want to just start jogging? No, you don't? It's gonna be kind of
Not starting by
yeah.
Get some, Rogers. Get some. Hi, buddy.
I guess I don't need them yet, huh?
No, I'll start now. What if you get the
Damn. Oh, I didn't start mine. Should I start it? Yeah. Woo!
I can't hear you guys. Here.
Record? That's okay.
Well, we gotta go.
Okay, here you go.
Sounds from the crowd.
Woo!
There he goes.
This is gonna be so pretty. I hope we see a moose.
All right, I just saw Selkirk and Rio off. We are sharing locations, and I can see that Selkirk is already leaving his sister behind. But I just got back to the car, and now it's off to beat them to Kadaya Park, so we can cheer them on from there. And then we'll see where we go from there. Yes, Rio! Woo! Wondering where Selkirk was in that video. He was running way too fast, so I took too long with my cup of coffee and I missed him. But at least I got Rio. I have now driven to a second location. I made sure that it was super far ahead of where he could possibly get to within the 8 minutes that it would take me to drive there. So I'm hoping to get them both on their way back around on their second loop on the way back to the finish line. Getting to cheer him on. Getting him running by. These are all the first runners. These are the fastest fuck boys. Woo! Yeah!
Let's go! Thank you. You're the best. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, 12, I just passed 12. Thank you. Whew. Mile 15. Oh shit.
Way to go.
Closing in on him.
Hell yeah, you are. He's slowing down.
We started saving some. What's up, guys? We made it. We got Aiden Gannon chiming in, blading, and we got Bungus for the last 7 miles, 7.5. I think that's cheating, isn't it? Who's looking? No. Tempting. He wants to go. I like your leash. Dang. Banjo. Wow. I love you guys.
We'll see you at the next spot.
We'll see you at the finish. Yeah, we're at the next spot.
I love you guys too.
Oh, yeah, they're the best.
I thought they were bringing the dog for your ride the rest
I know, he's like a little, he's basically a little moose. I should have thrown a saddle on him.
I think I like it.
Oh man, they got my spirits up. That's what matters. 20. Here we go. 20. All right, guys. Officially at mile 22. Coming into this one, I'm gonna be honest, a little slow. The old top of these guys are fucking killing me, but that's okay because we're closing in on home stretch. All right, we'll check back in. Peace. Oh, I'm dying. It's a one and done kind of deal. I will not catch me out here again doing this.
It might be close. I feel like you're gonna go way easy. And then you're gonna catch up. All right.
All 50 states finally have stopped running.
Oh, made it. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Oh, oh.
How do you feel? You killed it, you beat him.
So hard.
Are you gonna live? Wait, way to go.
Thanks, Tracy. Hi, Tracy. We've been waiting.
Yes, Selkirk!
Thank you. Why would you do that to your little brother?
Are you happy you did it?
Yeah, I'm happy I'm here. I'm happy I'm done with it. The time goes on and you just show up at the end, I guess. I did shuffle and walk for a bit of that. Like 2 miles an hour. I just scarfed a bunch of grapes. And I don't think that was a good idea because after I like gobbled like 20 grapes, I was like, my legs just like immediately went into like this like not good place. It was a dark place for my legs. And I was like, why are they feeding me grapes if they do this to my legs? But maybe it's not the grapes. Maybe I'm just not good at this. I don't know.
Okay, you can go. Oh, do I walk to you?